Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power, transducer cable seating, and a GPS lock. This avoids false readings. Once done, power the Helix 9 and switch to Sonar mode. Choose chirp or the widest frequency supported for general use, because that gives clearer target separation. Next, set a depth range slightly deeper than expected and raise sensitivity until you see structure and fish arches, then back off a touch to reduce speckle. Make sure noise rejection is at a moderate setting to filter interference. Once you have a stable sonar return, switch to a split-screen layout to combine sonar with down scan or side scan. This helps you confirm hard structure versus vegetation. You should zoom on promising arches to examine target shape. Narrowing the beam or switching frequency sharpens returns for depth and size clues. At the same time, overlay the map to relate returns to contours and drop-offs, because that links what you see to real-world structure. Make small sensitivity tweaks to keep clarity without adding noise. Finalize by marking waypoints on every productive spot and saving sonar logs so you can review conditions later. Once marked, create a route to the waypoint and engage guide mode or follow a track to return precisely. This saves time on repeat passes. If you need better performance, tune frequency and sensitivity while noting depth changes. Troubleshooting tip: if you get cluttered returns or no GPS, verify the transducer mount and cable. Check for electrical interference and update unit software to resolve known issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.